Okay, in this section, you're going to learn about doing grams to moles and moles to grams. And so another great text is this Libra text. So you can Google that and find it. And again, we're going to use an equality that 1 mole of something is the same as the mass. So if we're dealing with the element, you just simply grab the number from the periodic table. And with this equality, then we can do the conversions either way. We can go from grams to moles or moles to grams. And that's what you'll be able to practice. And so here, so what is the mass of roughly 4 moles of aluminum? And so you can see you start, it's just a dimensional analysis problem. You'll start with what's given, and you'll want to convert moles of aluminum to grams of aluminum. And then this relationship, moles to grams, always comes from the periodic table. If we're dealing with elements, it's the number. If we're dealing with compounds, then you have to simply add it up from the molar mass. In the website, you'll have the different conversions, all right, going from moles to grams and grams to moles. And here, then almost always you're just going to start with what's given, kind of set up the conversions in the simple way where we're just doing these. You don't have multiple steps. But in a second, I'll talk about a more complicated one where you'll need multiple steps then to be able to cancel and get to the new unit. Here's an example where we're dealing with a compound now. We're given this molar mass, and so you'll have to add up then the elements, the number of elements to get the molar mass to get that relationship between grams to mole for this compound. All right. So another thing that you need to know how to do then is to go between atoms. And so I don't have that on the website because the number is so large, is just kind of reporting people the way they enter it. So I just add that as an additional thing. So you're comfortable now going from grams to moles, and so then you can do the same kind of thing going from moles to grams. And here we always have the same equality though, Avogadro's numbers. That's going to give us then the relationship between moles of something and atoms and molecules of something. And it's always the same number. So you can either start with atoms and go to grams, or grams and go to atoms, and that will be the multiple step. So you can go here and see these exercises and work on those.